Let's talk about the benefits of cloud computing. The first benefit is pay-per-use computing service. In this benefit, the client can pay as he uses the services. In the previous video, we had seen that the customer could not save money if he or she wanted to use only Excel software but not PDF converter. But now, using the cloud computing technology, they can pay according to the feature used. Another example is suppose if I'm using a memory of 1 gigabyte RAM and i3 processor, then I will pay less as compared to 8 gigabyte of RAM and i7 processor. The next benefit is latest technology is available at low cost by renting. Once the technology is rented, a company can quickly innovate and fail at the same time without investing much money. For example, there are many machine learning and artificial intelligence softwares are available in the cloud that can be used to make a proof of concept. For example, Microsoft Azure IoT Suite, a company can create many types of POC on this. It provides features like easy device registry, rich integration with SAP, Salesforce, Oracle, WebSphere, etc., dashboards and visualization, and real-time streaming. The next benefit is scale resources up and down as per user needs. Let me make you understand using an example. Suppose there is a startup company who has launched its website. So initially they will have very less load on their website. But as the business will grow, they will have more traffic on their website. In this scenario, they can rent out the resources required to run the website according to the traffic in the initial stages with less cost. Once the traffic starts increasing, they can increase resources easily. An example of this is a popular game PUBG. Now, PUBG is hosting their games on servers of Amazon Web Services. PUBG got popular after 2019, but before that, there was very less load on their gaming servers. So, initially, they paid less amount to the Amazon Web Services and saved cost. Once the company kept growing, they rented additional servers to meet the demand at click of few buttons. What if there was no cloud computing? Then, in this scenario, PUBG company would have to go to market and purchase a lot of hardware without any estimated load of number of users. This would have definitely resulted in wastage of money. The next benefit is high quality hardware and up to date software. Once we get our hardware and softwares from a cloud service provider, we don't need to care about the quality and update of the software because it is the responsibility of the provider to keep the hardware of high quality without compromising the performance and provide the patches of software. The last but not the least is a high disaster recovery, backup, and load balancing. Cloud providers host their servers in multiple locations. For example, one server is in India, second server is in Germany, and third server could be in US or any other location. All the servers have high quality of backup so that in any case of disaster, data is not lost. They use different kind of technologies to replicate the data to other servers. They can even distribute the load of one server to the another server.